Hey, factory update. So exciting day today. There's lots of activity. You can come through. Keep on working. Don't stop. Don't stop. We don't have time to stop. So we just marked locations there and there for the. I'm standing on the bed right now. We marked these locations for where the speakers are going to go. So we're just cutting out the holes there, and we also have a hole there for the air conditioning. So that's going to be going in. So things are really happening today. We have the pipes for the electrical that we're starting to fit in. There's holes being made for different cutouts that are going to, like the speakers. So we'll have nice audio in bed at night. So that's pretty good. It's exciting seeing there's a lot of activity today. People are moving around, doing things, everyone's running, so I like seeing lots of activity like that. There we go. So right here is the access for the shower water as well as the toilet. So that goes down to the engineering room, and then right here we're going to have the holes for the body massager jets for the shower, and also the rain shower piece that's going to come up above, and then there's going to be a handheld massager right about here, and then the toilet will be right in here. And so we're looking at the shower area in here. Now we're looking at doing something pretty cool here. We're going to do a collaboration we'll talk about pretty soon. So that will be on another video.